This tutorial will show you how to add stars to an image in Photoshop. This tutorial assumes you already have your picture open in Photoshop. First, you will need to expand the Layers palette. If desired, you can undock the Layers palette by clicking and dragging it away from the edge. For this tutorial, we're going to decrease the brightness to enhance the illusion of dusk. Go to the Image menu, then Adjustments, and select Brightness Contrast. Adjust the slider to the desired brightness. Click OK. Now, we'll make a copy of the layer. Click and drag the layer down to the New Layer icon. Next, we'll erase part of the top layer so the stars will be more visible without covering the entire image. With the top layer selected, choose the Lasso tool. Click and drag around an area at the top of the image where you want the stars to show through. Press the Delete key to remove the selected area. You probably won't notice any difference, but this step will be important later. Now, we will create an empty layer, which will contain our stars above the bottom layer, background. To do this, select the background layer. Click the New Layer icon. In order for the stars to show up correctly, we will need to turn the new layer, Layer 1, completely black. Right-click the Gradient tool. Select the Paint Bucket tool. Click anywhere in the image. Now we'll add noise to the layer. Go to the Filter menu, then Noise. Click Add Noise. Set the amount to 10%. Change the distribution to Gaussian. Make sure the box next to Monochromatic is checked. Click OK. We will now change the brightness and contrast to make a few of the stars stand out from the rest. Go to the Image menu, then Adjustments. Select Brightness, Contrast. Set the brightness to -30. Change the contrast to 75. Click OK. Copy Layer 1 by dragging it to the New Layer icon. Change the brightness of the new layer. Set the brightness to -100. Set the contrast to 50. Click OK. To vary the sizes of our stars, we're going to double the size of the layer. Go to the Edit menu. Select Free Transform. Use the handles to scale the layer to about twice its current size. Press Enter to apply the changes. Now, we'll change the levels. Go to Image, then Adjustments, and select Levels. Change the first box to 230. Change the last box to 250. Click OK. Right-click on Layer 1 Copy. Go to Blending Options. Change the blend mode to Screen. Click OK. Do the same for Layer 1. Change the mode to Screen. The black will now be removed from both layers, allowing the white stars to shine through. We will now erase a large portion of the stars by hand to make them appear more random. Select the Eraser tool. Click and drag in the image at random to erase entire lines. Try varying the opacity to make some stars appear farther away. Erase more stars. Now, select the other stars layer. Erase while varying the opacity like we did before. If you would like to have a brighter star or two, you can add a lens flare. Select the layer you want to add it to, in this case, background. Go to the Filter menu. Go to Render. Select Lens Flare. Turn the brightness down to around 10%. Choose a lens type. Select where you want the flare to show up. Click OK. The lens flare has been added to the image. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to add stars to an image in Photoshop.